What if every stage of an employee's journey, from the first interview to the final exit, ran automatically? It begins with recruitment, where applications, interviews, and candidate tracking happen effortlessly. The moment they're hired, onboarding, document collection, and employee setup happen automatically. Attendance, leave requests, approvals, and payroll stay connected in one seamless workflow. Performance reviews, goals, learning, and promotions are tracked automatically, helping every employee grow. Employees enjoy a faster, smoother experience, while HR spends less time on paperwork and more time supporting people. Even the final exit process, clearances, approvals, settlements, and records, is completed without the usual delays. From joining to exit, automate every step of your employee journey with Bluechip Solutions HRMS. Follow Bluechip Solutions and book your demo today.